I got chicken in my bag, bitch, you know I got them rags. Chicken in my bag, bitch, you know we getting fat.
Back at it again, Daniel, with another banger. What's up, brother? That's what we got going today. What sounds better? I needed a cold start, you whore.
That's a cold start. That's a hoe start. That's a hoe start.
Keep going. Hey,
Follow.
so this guy thinks this motherfucking. He think this thing sound better than me. Crazy. What's wrong with me? Cold start. About that, let me get that off you real quick. Yeah, let me see what we talking about. Let me hear that hoe.
It's not a cold start anymore because I already started it.
Well, it's cold. It's broken. It's cold and broken. It's cold and broken, brother. Well, I think we know who sounds better. Well, that was short-lived. God damn.
Have you heard of straight pipe?
I have not.
Really?
No.
Oh shit. Yeah, we got us a $6,17,000 liter V12 engine. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got a fuel cap here. A fuel cap that says fuel on it. You know what I'm saying? We got SUV tires on there so we can slide around easier, you know what I mean? Come back here. Got the Hellcat logo. Yep. It's pretty ricey.
Yep.
Yeah, that's about it.
That's it. It's a rice Mopar, whatever the fuck you call it. Huh?
Yep. Chicken and rice Mopar, baby. What do you say? Mopar, baby.
Mopar, baby. Yeah. Not supposed to do. Hey, sorry for smoking. Oh, fuck.
How you doing? Hop on in, man. Glad to be your Uber driver. Stepped on my fucking food. See that right there? That's fucking hilarious.
Yep. Sorry.
All right. Safety first.
It's a Hellcat. There's no safety for this.
Yep, I got 2 free tickets.
Nice.
Haha.
Wow. So put it in the hole, baby. Put her in the hole, baby.
Get you a good POV here, buddy.
Oh.
All right, where are we going?
See that? We're in red eye mode, baby. Oh, shit. $700 a plussy. What happens in track mode? Does it go up to?
it just gets very rowdy.
It's really stiff.
It is stiff, very stiff, too stiff. You know, like something else.
You got it in your waistband? Yep. Watch out, pussy.
Going on a high speed.
Whoa! So, what we're doing is we're going to the movies and we gotta get there in about 2 fucking minutes.
Yep.
And
4 minutes away. You know what it said 2 minutes ago? 11.
yeah,
But we're in a Hellcat, baby.
we got cats in hell and we're in hell.
Yep. We're going to hell. No, I'm just kidding. We're not going. We're not going.
Yep, the raptures already happened. The fucking the solar eclipse already happened. Now it's about to get real dark out here, baby. Oh yeah.
Is this a CTS? Yeah,
Who
I knew
wants
it was
to
a V.
smoke?
I knew it was a V.
CTS,
Want smoke?
CTSV.
You want smoke, huh? That's too bad. I'm taking the next exit.
Yeah. You get a break this time, pussy.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, he's getting off, brother.
Oh, he wants it. Oh, screw.
Little scrapey. Wow. God damn.
Yeah, brother.
And now we are at the movies.
Oh,
Yep.
that is,
Yep, that is.
Yes, it is.
Yep, that is a median,
Good
brother.
thing I was about to do some crazy wilding out shit. Not anymore.
Yep, that'd have been bad. But it's alright. We are here. We made it to our destination in about 4 fucking minutes. That's
No,
actually.
that was a smooth 4 minutes, bro. I think, like, for real, for real. Actually, should I park back here?
Nope. You should park by yourself.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let's go on.
Make sure they see it front and center when they attempt to steal it.
Yep.
Look at them.
Right here in your face. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and park right here.
More cops. It seems that this YouTube channel seems to attract a lot of fucking cops. Little pussies.
Good thing we're just here to see a movie. We're not here to do anything illegal.
Not yet. Just kidding. Now we're out the goddamn shit, man. This bitch. Meow 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 meow. That was nice, yeah.